of that.
I know you do. I know you
Hey, folks, welcome. Welcome to the Basement Show podcast. Short. Yeah. All right, T.
do. Yeah.
Let's get it.
We don't mess around in the show.
We don't got time.
We don't mess around. So, why when someone sneezes do you say bless you? I like how you mimed it. Ryan's like, achoo.
Yeah.
Good manners dictate that every sneeze should be followed by some variation of bless you. Whether it's a wall-shaking nasal explosion, which are usually the type of sneezes I do, or a dainty achoo, no sneeze is complete without it. But have you ever wondered why we do it, other than the fact we were raised right, of course? The most popular theory is that it originated in Rome, when the bubonic plague was ravaging Europe.
Ah, yes.
I like how you said that like it was a soft reminisce.
Right.
Ah, yes, plague times.
The days of plague, y'all.
Plague times, yeah. Yawning and sneezing were both considered high-risk activities.
Whoa.
In the time of the ancient Romans and Greeks. There's a lot of ancient beliefs in general about a separable soul. It can separate for a brief period of time. Like, I've hit potholes that made it feel like my soul left my body.
Oh, yeah.
So.
In Massachusetts, you take any life in your hands dry as sinkhole, usually.
Yeah,
But
it's
anyway.
like, boom.
Yep.
My soul's gone.
Yep. Again.
Again. When you dream, your soul is out of your body, so it can't get back in if you're sneezing. Sneezing was one of the plague's main symptoms, and it was believed that Pope Gregory the First suggested a tiny prayer in the form of saying, God bless you, after a sneeze would protect the person from death. Another, more superstitious theory is that it stems from ancient belief that a sneeze might accidentally expel the spirit from the body unless God blesses you and prevents it. Other cultures thought that sneezing forced evil spirits out of your body, leaving others exposed to wandering spirits. A blessing was to protect both the sneezer and those around him.
And the sneezy.
Yeah, the sneezy. And then there's the rumor that your heart stops when you sneeze. And that saying bless you is a way of welcoming the sneezer back from the dead.
Oh, cool. Thought we lost you on that fifth sneeze there, but got
Have you
back.
ever sneezed multiple times in a row?
Oh, yes.
It feels like
It's horrific.
You need to call 911.
Especially real quick, let me interrupt.
No,
when
it's
you do
fine.
like the multiple, like the 5 in a row.
Oh,
I like
yeah.
to do the dance with it too. It's like, you know what I mean? Just make a day out of it, you know?
Make a day out of it.
Yeah.
This is physical activity.
That's right.
I sneezed today.
Exactly. I'm done working out.
While most of us aren't worried about demons, momentary death, or the bubonic plague, today it's considered a polite gesture. And if a simple bless you just so happens to protect your soul while you're at it, even better. So, how about you bless that like button and have your soul hit subscribe, and we will see you next time.
That's right. Love you.
Be sure to check out us on social media. We're on Instagram
We're
and
streaming things
TikTok.
are streamed and everything and all that, and take us with you. Basement Show podcast on the go,
Go.
yo. Take us
Yep.
around, shop us through your town.
Yeah, full episodes.
That's right.
Every other week.
That's right, baby.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.
Yes. Yes.